Good morning, children. I hope you all are keeping well. Please take care of yourself and your family. Today we are going to start lesson number 4, Files and Folders in Windows 7. Files and Folders in Windows 7. Files and folders are used to save our work. Children, whatever work you are doing in your computer, whether it is a document, a music, an art, whatever it is, you have to save it as a file. And these files you can save in folders. Let us begin with files. All the work that we do in a computer is stored in form of a file. That file can contain anything like drawing, text, picture, sound in it. Every file has its unique name. Children, to identify the file, you have to give name to those file. So, whenever you want to click the particular file by the name, you can search it. No two files of the same name or type can be saved at the same location in the desktop. Suppose you have drawn a lotus and you have named that file as lotus. You have saved it on your desktop. Another day you have drawn a big lotus. Again you are saved with the same name on the same location. That you cannot do. You have to name it as lotus 1 or lotus 2 so that you can save it on the same location. Computer represents files with icons. You can see the icons and then the name of the files. By looking at a file icons, you can find out what kind of file it is. There are various types of files. Now, let us study about folders. A folder is a location for organizing the files. A similar group of files saved together under a common name is called a folder. Suppose children, you have written many things about the school, or you have painted or drawn many things for the school. So you can create a folder and you can name it as my school and you can save all the files in that folder. A folder can also have its unique name. As I have told already that you can name it as my school. Most folders contain files. Some folders contain additional folders which we call subfolders. Suppose children, again and again you are drawing the beautiful pictures, you are saving it as a files in the same folder. Year after year you are doing it, but after some time you will find there are many files in that folders. You can again create a folder inside that folder and you can name it as 2019, then another folder as 2020, and then you can save your files accordingly. It is just like a file cabinet in an office where similar types of files are kept together. So, all the files which you have drawn in 2019 can be saved in one folder and then another folder of 2020 you can save all the work done in this folder. And all these folders can be saved in My School. See children, in the picture you can see the Word document here. You can see W is written here, X is written here, again W is written here. This shows that this is the Word document. By seeing the icon, you can identify that yes, it is a Word document. Again, this one is Word document. Yes, children, this one and this one are the Word documents, and this one is the Excel document. And these are the folders. You can see it here. In these folders, you can see that there are files inside the folders. That is why it is looking like this, and this folder is empty. Viewing files and folders. There are main 4 folders in Windows 7 in which our files are saved by default. Children, if you are not selecting the location, you are giving the names but you are not selecting the location, by default you will find that in your computer there are 4 folders. The first folder is the document folder. Whenever you create and save a document file, it gets stored in documents folder by default. Picture folder. Whatever you saving as a picture from your digital camera or scanner or internet, it is going to be stored in this picture folder. Music folder. If you are downloading any music file, it is going to be stored in this music folder. Then comes the video folder. Whenever you download any video file, it is going to be stored in this video folder. So in this way, we are getting 4 folder by default in Windows 7.
See children, this is the page. When you are going to open my computer, you will see that these icons are there by default. Can you see? Documents, videos, pictures, music. These are the various folders you can see on your system. Suppose you are downloading any document, it will straight away go in this folder. If you are downloading any picture, straight away it will go in this folder, so that it is not difficult for you to again reopen it. Suppose if I click here twice, you can see these are the pictures I have downloaded. So again you can come back and you can see this documents, videos, pictures and music folders here.
Children, today I am going to give you one activity to do. You have to just open up your computer, and then the way we have learned how to create a file and folder, you have to create a file, then you have to name the file. Again, you have to create a folder, then you have to place the file inside that folder and name the folder also. This way your activity will be done. Okay children, have you understood? Thank you children for watching this video.